Hi, and welcome to Keep on Trekkin, an unrehearsed panel discussion on the pressing issues and global ramifications of the single most influential cultural entity in the history of mankind, namely Star Trek. I'm Lieutenant Commander Chet, and my panel guests this evening are Science Officer Bob, Ensign Stinky.
Hey, shut up!
Sorry, Stinky. And Lord Darkthorn.
Hi.
Tonight's topic is the tragedy that rocked a generation and ended an age of innocence that will never be revisited. The passing of the great bird, Gene Roddenberry. So I put it to you, Science Officer Bob. Where were you when Gene shuffled off his mortal coil?
I was in my bachelor pad in my parents' basement.
You too? That's where I was. Yeah, me too. Wow.
Okay, I guess we can move to our next topic because this one's really scaring me. All right, is Gene really dead?
I think it's a plot. Paramount wanted to silence him because he spoke the truth.
I myself have irrefutable evidence that Gene Roddenberry is alive and well and living in Virginia Beach.
No way!
Yes, yes. As evidence, I submit this unretouched 8x10 black and white spy satellite surveillance photograph of Gene Roddenberry at a 7-Eleven sharing a Coke Slurpee with Isaac Asimov and Jim Henson.
The triumvirate!
Hey! That's not Jim Henson, that's an old lady! No, it's not, it's Henson!
She's got a little kid!
It's a Muppet!
All right! Take it easy, it's okay, Stinky.
Henson Stinky!
Ensign Stinky.
Shut up!
How about you, Lord Darkthorn? What's your opinion?
Well, I think they'll bring him back. They brought Spock back.
Okay, that's all the time we have for this mission, although if the station heads had their priorities straight, we'd have 3 or 4 hours. Next week our topics will be Doctor Who fans and why they're such losers. And Troy or Uhura, who would you do?
Hey, you know, I wouldn't mind being in the middle of an Troy sandwich, if you know what I mean.
See you next week on Keep on Trekkin. Till next time, engage.
Engage, that's cool.
Yeah, I just thought of that.